For our homework number 2, we have to identify the similarities and differences between two types of presentations. For that reason, we chose the persuasive and the informative presentations, as we believe these are the most common types of presentations out there, and therefore a good point of reference for our activity.
We will explain what is similar with these two presentations. In both presentations, your main points are filled with data or facts that convey the topic and support it. They share a similar goal, which is having people learn about something and remember it after the presentation. Both present different arguments and knowledge. The presenter has to adapt to his audience reactions. Both presentations focus on a main point, not divergent to other topics.
Now that we have stated these similarities, we will proceed to explain the differences. The goal of an informative presentation is to present knowledge to the audience that they didn't have before. The goal of a persuasive presentation is to convince the audience to hold a certain belief about the topic presented. Persuasive presentations use emotion as a tool to convince people. Persuasive presentations intend to call the audience to action. Persuasive presentations often highlight the benefits of supporting their stance.
As we can see, there are several types of presentation, all of which differ from each other in many ways, showing us the importance of having a clear goal before we start planning a presentation, as this goal is the main difference between any presentation you want to do.